and you can see, maybe you think the multimeter is very complicated to use, but this multimeter is very easy because here it has function on it. It will write on it like the ampere, the voltage, and here is the non-touch voltage, and it is whole. The whole mean is you can keep on the date on here, on the digital here, and here it's just like a sun. It means it have light. It have light on it, and later I will show you. And here also it's writing the function. Here it's power, and it's the beam sound and the diode, and here also it's very clear, and when you have it and use it, it's very easy to learn it how to use. Okay, now we are starting to use this multimeter. And okay, now we open it. Okay, we connect. Now first we try to test the ampere, so we connect here the red color on this ampere and this to this one. Okay, so we use the power supply to test. Okay, try to test it. Okay. Okay, you can see the data on here. You can check with the ampere. Okay, 1.2 ampere, and the power supply, it is same data. Okay, and you can see below the ampere here have the, it's just like the light. Here it is mean, here it have light here. It can show it just like if it is dark, you can show it show the row, and if it is dark, you can know where it is your stock here, where. And the next is voltage. Now we check the voltage. Now we find the connector USB here, here, and here. So it is minus. It will be it is wrong pin, so we change it to test again. So this board, the voltage is 3.8. Even just like the mistake, even I choose the wrong side. Even choose the wrong side, it shows minus. It's still not damage the multimeter. See, it is minus, but it's still good of the multimeter. So next fraction is this one, non-contact voltage. It means you want to check some power. It is connect with the power or not. It have electric or not. So you don't need to use the tester to test. You only use the multimeter. Here it shows EF. It means you can test now. It has BB sound. It means this cable have electric. So, 我试一下这个，等一下不要插。Okay, I show you another one. Here we don't connect any power. So here no have any sound. Here this one have power. It has sound on. Okay, next section, hold. Hold means I push one time, it will keep the data of just I already test, and the sound here, the sun, the light. I push for 2 seconds. Here it will have a backlight on it, and if you want to keep the light on all the time, so you need to push here one sound. It will have two bit sound. For when you hear 2 bit sound, it will mean this light, the backlight will keep on, was on all the time. Okay, next I will show you another function here. Now we are test resistance. So we remove this battery, remove it. Okay, we test it. The resistance. Okay, you will see the data. So you see this multimeter pen is very convenient to use it because it is very thin. So here the resistance is very small. If it is big, it's very hard to touch it. So it is thin. It's very easy to test, to connect the resistance. Okay, next it's next one is the diode, and this board now have the diode. We change another board. Okay. See, we try another one. So you see, this multimeter pen is the tester. This tester is very easy to use, very convenient. Another one, try another one. This is the good board. It can use. This board is good one, not damaged one, not broken. It is good. So next we check the B allowed. So when this one together, it was on EV sound, and we test the points, the 2 point, it is connect or not. You can check the board. It has many points on it. You can try these two. These two is connect. We try it. So we can test this board either. So the board, this board is good. So next, this multimeter still have a special section here. You can see here is the temperature C. So it means this multimeter can test the temperature also. So if you want to test the temperature, you need to use a special tester, the wire. Now here, now the temperature is 29, so I use my hand to make it warm. See, it is up to 36. Okay, next is another temperature. It's the hot. So this is all the function we have for this multimeter. And one more design is very special because the normal multimeter, it use the 9 volt voltage, but this one this multimeter is used a common battery. It's very easy to find in anywhere because the old multimeter, it used this battery. It's not easy to find it, but this multimeter, the 19N, this multimeter is used this 1.5 what is the battery. It's very easy to find in the market. So we put it back.
先到上面可以不拆那个壳。你把它装回去，然后你就可以不用拆。
So this protect cover is also special because this quality is good and it can protect from the high heater, high temperature. The material is fireproof.
你翻过来，你就不拆这个也能换电池。
So this is the multimeter customized for mobile phone repair tools. So do you like this multimeter? If you are interested of this, so please contact us. So please leave a message in the below. We will reply to you as soon as possible. See you next time. Okay. Bye bye.
等一下，这边还没听过。